Hello everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all a very beautiful Banaras sari, and stay tuned until the end of my video so you get to see the matching accessories, mix and match blouses, and of course I'm going to share the tips and ideas here. So this is the sari that I got it, and this one is actually from Banaras. Like I mentioned, it's a very beautiful, it's called I think the material is called Banaras organza. The main reason I have selected this is because of the border here. Look at the border, the combination is so good. It's like trendy with traditional mix, so that's the reason I've selected. And the flower pattern or the circle pattern is here is like, you know, three colors, and then they are alternating the colors with along with the stem flowing here. An excellent design and excellent idea. So this is the overall mix and match here of three flowers, and then overall sari is all checks as you see here. So this is the close look of all the three colors that they have designed. And then this material is so soft. I mean, the border is so soft comparative to the top one, because the top one is all organza material, whereas the bottom one is like, you know, very soft pattu material. So that's the reason I love this sari. And as you see, this is the overall color combination here. Yellow and pink is always an evergreen color, and this is the border that they have given. The border is like really a very simple border here, as you see. That's all they have here. This sari, so this is the overall design we got, and then for the border that they have given a slight line design here, and then these tassels are also done. My mom's friend did these tassels for me, very excellently done here. So these are the tassels here, yellow and pink combination. Friends and viewers, if you like this one is like a very simple pattern, but yet it give a trendy and neat look. And actually when you add these tassels, usually it will look more expensive than what you have spent for the sari. So now moving on to the first blouse, this is the blouse that I got. I'm still surprised how I got this blouse for this sari, because look at the border color and everything. Maybe they are trying to match to the top color, the border. Okay, I get it, but I'm still surprised because the pink and red. So the only thing that I'm thinking here is just because we got the tiny border at the end, so they are trying to match with that, along with the lines here is matching the same one. I'm not planning on using this blouse for this sari. The reason is, you know, it's not matching, but I love the way that they have designed this blouse. Especially it's a very simple pattern, yet for the hands that they have designed, and then they gave me these heavy tassels. Usually when you wear a simple gold sari or something, having tassels at the back, plain gold sari with these checks will be awesome. So overall the design pattern is good, and especially for the hands, if we given a other color also for this triangle shape, it could have been more good. But overall it's an excellent blouse, which I'm planning on wearing for a light green or gold color sari, because I cannot mix and match this blouse to this. The only reason that I'm showing is this is the blouse that they have given for this sari. Now let's move on to the work blouse that I got for this sari. So this is the work blouse that I got for this sari. So basically what they have done is they have taken two colors, yellow and pink. You know, nowadays this is it's always in trend, you know, body as one color and then the hands as different color is always in trend. The only reason, usually it should be other way around, but since the sari is transparent, so that's why I have selected for the body as the yellow color and hands as the pink color. And this is the overall work that they have designed here. For this I do not want any you know, like too much work or any too much design. I just want the thread design for this, because usually nowadays if you are getting that huge work and everything, it's like, you know, affecting the sari because the threads are coming out and all that. So that's the reason I asked them to do a simple work. So this is the work that they have done, and these are the tassels that they have given for this one. So now let's move on to the third blouse. This one is actually my sister-in-law's pattu sari blouse. She got a work blouse, so she didn't stretch it, so I thought, okay, I can use this blouse for one of my saris. So I got this, and then I got this stitched in a very simple pattern here. And look at how well this is matching, as since it's a real pattu sari, the work here is excellent and it's matching perfectly to the border that we have got. So never waste a blouse, always stitch it, and always try to mix and match. Now let's move on to the jewelry. The first jewelry is, these are the chand balis, and it's always my favorite, and I've shown in many of my videos. So these are the earrings that I have matched for this sari, and this is the overall design of this. And moving on to the Transitioning to necklace, so this is the necklace that I wore. This is the overall look of the sari that I've shown, and I love this sari, and also I wore it recently to my cousin's wedding. So this is the overall look of the sari. Friends and viewers, let me know. Now let's move on to the other neck piece that I've selected. I didn't get a chance to wear this, but I'm just showing you ideas, so that's my channel goal as well. Always mix and match. You have this yellow color in here. Maybe you can put a pink locket and you can design your own neck piece here. So this is the one that I have selected, thinking it will perfectly match to this. Now let's look at the bangles. So the first bangles that I have selected today, these are the bangles that I got for my cousin's mehendi function, and these ones are very good, and these ones are actually from Charminar, and I'm not sure how expensive are these, but these are, when you wear it, these are excellent, and these match so well to one of my sari. Now let's move on to the second set. As you all know, cloth bangles are always my favorite, so these are the cloth bangles that I've selected. Again, you don't have to mix, you can always mix and match. As you see, the yellow and pink pattern is also not same, but if you wear it overall, it will give a neat and decent look. So that's the reason I have selected these. And then the third set that I've selected is all with gold here, and then the only color that I've selected different is the pink one. Everything else is all like gold. It's not real gold, but it's just like a gold color design here, so overall it will give the trendy look. And moving on to the these goodie bags kind of thing. I got one of these bags. They have one of my friend's daughter's engagement. She put some 5 or 6 sweet, I think 5 sweets she put, and then she gave these as a goodie bag. It's a very neat idea, and then I selected the yellow color just for this sari. It matched perfectly. So like I mentioned earlier, my channel goal is to show you all the accessories and everything. So this is the new goodie bag that I got, and then the other one that I got is this one. I'm really loving this. The reason is, it can match to both saris, traditional and western wear. So this is the kind that I got, and it's very easy to handle, and especially for your mobile and everything, and so small keys and everything, you can easily put it in here when you're wearing sari. So this is the overall look of it. Having these simple accessories really gives that elegant and neat touch. And especially with the mobiles, and then carrying small things here and there, we can always put all these into this. And then the third one, which I think I've already shared this with you all, but I thought this is also a small matching bag here. Again, you can carry all your immediate, like small things that you need when you're going, and especially the mobile also you can carry here. So these are the three things, and the material for this is very good. I think it's a real patu kind of design and everything. And the circles at the border also matched perfectly to the circles that we got for this sari. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.